video today, I want to talk to you about how you can earn cryptocurrency while you sleep. This is the ultimate side hustle, earning cryptocurrency while you sleep. In today's digital world, financial freedom is no longer limited to traditional jobs. With the rise of cryptocurrency, earning passive income has become easier than ever. Imagine making money while you sleep. This is the ultimate side hustle that many are exploring. From staking and yield farming to play to earn, gaming and cloud mining, there are numerous ways to earn cryptocurrencies without actively working every day. In this video, we'll explore the best methods for earning cryptocurrency passively and maximizing profits. Now, the first way is staking. Staking is a way to earn rewards by holding crypto. Now, what do I mean by staking? Staking involves locking up your crypto in a blockchain network to support transaction and security. In return, you earn staking rewards in the form of additional cryptocurrency. So staking is like you put your money in a fixed deposit in the bank. So you can also stake your cryptocurrency and it will give you yield. So these are the best cryptocurrencies for staking. Ethereum is one of the most profitable staking options. Also, we have Bitcoin. You can also stake your Bitcoin. Then we have Cardano, that is ADA. It offers stable staking rewards. Then we have Solana, SOL. It has high-speed blockchain with competitive staking yields. Then we have Polkadot, this multi-chain network with great staking incentives. How to start staking? To start staking, the first thing you need to do is to choose a cryptocurrency that supports staking. The next thing you need to do is to use a crypto wallet or exchange like Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, OKX, Bjet, and many more. Then stake your coins and start earning rewards. Earnings potential. Some staking pool offer 5% up to 20% annual rewards depending on the network and duration of staking. Now, before I go on, you may be wondering, where will I get the crypto I want to stake? My friend, go and work. If it requires you carrying load for people in the market, the initial capital, go and do all kind of work and get money. Do manual job if you don't have office job to do, if you don't have salary job, or if your salary job is not going to meet up, add some manual job to what you are doing. Make sure that money goes into staking. You do that work for like 1, 2, 3, 4 months, be putting the money into staking, be staking it. Then later on, when what you stake has grown, you can stop all those manual jobs and continue to make money from what you have staked. So you have no excuse and say, I don't have money. I don't have, is not somebody that have extra that will stake. You don't need to have extra before you stake. It all depends on your determination. You can stake 5% or 10% of your income if you're a salary earner or a business individual, or you can decide to do some side hustle. And this, what I mean by side hustle, is going to go into staking. Now, there are some times that you have pay rise in your place of work. You have been working and you have been managing yourself all along. When you have a pay rise or you are paid a part of a kind of money, a chunk money, put that money into staking. At least you have been surviving without that money before. So put that money into staking and let it continue to yield for you and continue to be an investment for you. And later you can draw that out. Now, another way you can make money from cryptocurrency is yield farming. You can grow your crypto holdings using yield farming. What is yield farming? Yield farming involves lending or staking crypto in decentralized finance, that is DeFi platforms, to earn rewards. It works like a high interest savings account, but this is for crypto. Best yield farming platforms. AAVE, a top lending platform with flexible interest rates. Then you have Uniswap. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange with liquidity farming rewards. Then we have Curve Finance. This specializes in stablecoin yield farming. Then we have PancakeSwap. This offers high rewards for Binance Smart Chain users. There are many others that you can use for this purpose. Now, how to start yield farming? Deposit your crypto into a liquidity pool. Choose a farming pair, e.g. ETH USDT, PI USDT, BTC USDT, or thereabout. Then earn rewards in the platform's native token. Earning potential. Depending on the platform, yields can range from 10% to over 100% annual percentage yield. However, beware of impermanent loss when providing liquidity. Now, number 3 way you can make money from crypto, and you make this money while you sleep, is cloud mining. Mine crypto without expensive hardware. That is what cloud mining is. So what is cloud mining? Cloud mining allows users to rent mining power from remote data centers instead of buying expensive mining equipment. You see, I have heard about mining equipment for Bitcoin for many years, and the electricity used, the money used to buy the machine is expensive, then the electricity you are going to use is also very high. So what cloud mining is now going to do for you is going to allow you to mine or to rent mining power from remote data centers instead of buying expensive mining equipment. This makes crypto mining accessible to anyone with an internet connection. So, what are the best cloud mining platforms? Number 1 is Genesis Mining. It is a trusted cloud mining provider. I am going to come back and provide detailed information on Genesis and others and how you can go about cloud mining. So, if I don't come back to do that, please remind me in the comment section below so that I can be reminded and I can do that video. So, another cloud mining platform is NiceHash. NiceHash allows users to buy and sell mining power. Then we also have Storm Game. This offers free cloud mining for new users. Echoes Mining. Echoes Mining is a legitimate cloud mining service with Bitcoin payout. Now, how do you start cloud mining? Choose a cloud mining service. Select a mining contract based on your budget. Then start earning daily earning mining rewards. Earning potential for this cloud mining. Profits depend on market prices and mining difficulty. Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum Classic are popular choices. Let me also talk about Pi mining. Pi mining is new in town, and I'll leave the link for you to mine Pi. You can mine Pi directly on your phone today. So I will put the link in the description section and in the comment section of this video so that you can go in and start mining Pi. People have been mining Pi using their mobile app, using their phone for the past 6 years. And Pi launched on the 20th of February. The launching price of $3.40. It crashed down to 60 cents. It moved up to $2.90 and currently is trading at less than $2, which makes you, if you want to come in and buy directly, if you have the cash, you buy the Pi, because it's anticipated that it's projected that it's going to go up, even up to $1,000 in the near future. So you can buy the Pi now that is still low from people that need the money. Then you can also go ahead and start mining Pi. So all you need to do is to go to the Pi app every 24 hours and just click and leave the place, and that is all. It's keep mining for you, and then you are getting the Pi coin. Now, number 4 way you can make money from cryptocurrency is play to earn gaming. That's P2E. Get paid to play games. What is P2E gaming? Play to earn, also called P2E games, reward players with cryptocurrency and NFTs for in-game activities. These games allow players to earn real money while having fun. What are the best play to earn games? Axie Infinity, AXS as SLP, a battle game where players earn tokens. Then we have the Decentraland, that is like MANA, capital MANA, a virtual world where users trade land and assets. Then we have the Sandbox, capital SAND. It's a metaverse where creators earn through digital land sales, and that is how they make the money and get their crypto. Then we have the Alien Worlds, TLM capital. This is a mining-based NFT game. Now, how do you start earning from play to earn game, P2E game? Create an account and buy a starter NFT if required. The next thing you need to do is play games, complete missions, and earn in-game tokens. Then, when you earn the tokens, sell the tokens or NFTs for real crypto profits. Earning potential for play to earn. Some players made $50 to $500 per month, while professional gamers earn even more. So it depends on you. It depends on the amount of work you want to put into it. Many people just come and say they want to make money from crypto or make money online or anywhere without putting in the work. There's an initial work you have to put in. And even in this play to earn, even though you are playing game, you can earn. But the more game you play and the more you understand how the game works, the more you are going to make from it. Now, number 5 way by which you can make money from crypto while you sleep is play like crypto airdrops. Free money for minimal effort. Now, what are crypto airdrops? I have done series of videos about crypto airdrops and many more. But the issue is that there are many crypto airdrops that have disappointed many people. So we look out crypto airdrops that stress you too much, ask you to pay, ask to do this, ask to do that. Maybe you should jettison them. That's where I'm looking at. There was one that I did that time called to market. I traded it. They asked us to pay for premium, pay for this. I did everything. Every day they give us trash. There's other ones like that, Rocky Rabbit. There are many like that you pay ton transaction. They gave dust. So people should be wary. What you can do is look for one that will not take your time, one that you can just mine every 24 hours, every 6 hours. So you don't need to be there 1 hour. You are still on the game. For what? That's not how it should work. That's not how airdrop should work. So airdrop, what are crypto airdrops? Airdrops are free crypto giveaways from projects looking to build awareness. So the projects are crypto projects that are looking to create awareness. So in creating this awareness, instead of them to go and advertise in the media, they want to use you to advertise through P2P. So you refer somebody refers somebody, so like that, and then people get to do them. So you can receive free tokens simply by joining a project social media, building a specific crypto, or completing simple tasks. Best way to find crypto airdrops: check websites like airdrops.io, CoinMarketCap's airdrops, and then follow crypto projects on Twitter and Telegram. Use wallets like Trust Wallet, which often supports crypto airdrop events. Then, apart from that, keep coming to this YouTube channel, and from time to time, I talk about different crypto airdrop projects that are on. Currently, Pi is hot in demand and the mining is still on. So I'm going to leave the link to my Pi mining app in the description section and in the comment section of this video, so that you can go ahead and start mining Pi. And there are many others. If you want me to leave the link, I will try to leave the link of some of the good ones description section. Just that some of them they run for 6 months, 3 months, 1 year, and thereabout, and then they end. So if you need, maybe I don't know if you are seeing this video after 2 years, all you need to do is to request in the comment section that I should give you new crypto update, and don't worry, I'll also be doing videos about them from time to time. Now, if you're in Ilorin and you want to buy property or you want to sell property, on this channel, I bring you information, and I have people on the ground, and I can help you to manage your property and help you to make profit. I'm trusted, I'm reliable, and you are not going to regret it. So there are many adverts for property that people want to sell and people want to buy on this channel. So check them out, and you are going to be glad you did. What is the earning potential for airdrops? Airdrops can range from a few dollars to thousands of dollars, depending on the project. So the project depends. Many have been disappointed, as many play to earn are out there. There are many play to earn out there. So number 6 way you can make money from crypto while you sleep is running a master mode. Passive income from blockchain networks. What is a master mode? A master mode is a server that supports a blockchain network by validating transactions and improving security. Operators earn rewards for maintaining network stability. Best cryptos for master mode investments are as follows. Dash, one of the first and most stable master mode projects. PIVX, focuses on privacy-based transaction. Then we have Zcoin, that's XZC, uses master mode for enhanced security. How to start a master mode? Invest in the minimum required coins, varies per project. Set up a dedicated server or VPS. Start earning passive rewards. What is the earning potential for master nodes? Master nodes can generate 5% to 30% annual returns, but initial investments can be high. So if you don't have the capital, don't need to go into this. But you can also work your way through and get the capital to start any of this. So making money while you sleep, yes. Earning cryptocurrency passively is one of the best side hustles for long-term wealth. Whether you choose staking, yield farming, cloud mining, or P2E gaming, these methods allow you to build financial security without constant effort. Now, what is the key takeaway? Staking and yield farming Staking and yield farming provide stable passive income. Cloud mining offers mining rewards without hardware. P2E gaming and airdrops allow you to earn for free. Running a master node can generate consistent blockchain rewards. Now, the question comes, which of these methods are you interested in? Let us know in the comment section below. My name is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun, and I'm the brain behind this Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun TV, this YouTube channel. I want you to like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends, and keep coming back for more from this channel. I am going to talk to you in the next one. Before then, this video popping up by the side, this very one is the one you need to watch. But before you watch it, I make a boast. If you come to this channel consistently for 6 months, and your life does not change, that means I'm not sent to you. Go and be watching another channel. But if you watch my videos consistently for 6 months, your life will move forward in a progressive way and in a good direction. Until I come your way again in the next one, I want to make a shout out to Samson Honora. Samson Honora, thank you for joining my membership and for buying me coffee for the second consecutive time. I thank you, and I want all of you, go to the description section, go to the below this video, you see join, click the join and buy me a coffee. I'm going to give you a shout out if you do that. And there are many other privileges that are in there. Just go and click join and you see the privileges that are in anyone that buys me a coffee. I'll see you in the next one. Please, let's go ahead and watch this video now. Let's go.